guys, today we are making Shivratri special sweet. For that we need ghee for jaggery, coconut powder, cashew nut, badam, pista, yalakki powder, sabudana, butterfly pea water. We should put butterfly pea water into sabudana and mix it. Keep aside for 2 hours. Take pan, put ghee into the pan. Add pista, badam, stir it. Add cashew nuts, stir it. Add coconut powder and stir it. Now we should add jaggery. Stir it. Make pieces and stir it. Mix well. Put yalakki powder. Stir it. After keeping 2 hours, grind with hand like this and make laddu. And make like this. Put that and mixer like this and make like laddu. Idli pan. Put that laddu. Keep laddu. And keep for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our Shivratri special sweet is ready. Here is our Shivratri special Laddu sweet. If you like, means like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.